let's use the front camera by default on Instagram. Now, if you want to take an Instagram photo or a video, maybe a reel or a story, any of those, you can always switch it so the camera on Instagram defaults to the front facing so that it looks at you and not behind the camera or in front of you. So to do that, let's hop into Instagram, but first hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps my channel out a lot. Thanks, guys. So let's go into Instagram and we're going to tap the plus at the top right. Now you can see that little camera icon right above my gallery. I can tap that and you can see it defaulted to the back of the camera, camera on the back of my phone. So I can tap the gear at the top right and it says default to front camera here. So I can just toggle that on. And now anytime that I can hit done here, anytime that I go in here, it will default to the front camera so that you can see yourself. If you want to take a selfie or a self video, it will always default to looking at you. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.